Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. In front of me, you're going to see that we're using the Bliss bridge because it's obviously set up on the homeowner's phone. And we have set up different things for timing. You'll notice that there's one that's set for 11 a.m. and they may want to make an adjustment on that. So how do you make an adjustment? The reason I'm showing this is because it's very subtle. If you tap here, it doesn't do anything. You can turn it off. Like if you're like, oh, I don't want that to work, and it's totally off, you can turn it back on. But what if you want to make an adjustment to it? You scroll all the way to the top and notice it's really subtle. Do you see those three little dots? You have to tap that. So you go right here and tap it, and it says timer settings and adjust them. And now you can choose the one that you want. There's that 11 a.m. Tap on that, and you can make it 11:01 a.m. And then again, go to the top and hit done. Successful. So if you want to make that adjustment, make sure you pay attention to those dots. Again, the dots are right there, and they're also there for scenes. If you hit that, you see the dots. And if you go to rooms, you see the dots? Make sure you use those when you want to make adjustments to what you've already programmed. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.